Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to attach a bike to a Wahoo Kickr Core. First, ensure your Kickr Core is placed on a stable, level surface to prevent any wobbling during your ride. Next, gather your necessary tools, including a cassette wrench and a chain whip, which are crucial for installing the cassette. Make sure your bike's rear wheel is completely removed and safely stored. Finally, confirm that the appropriate axle adapter, such as for a 130mm quick release or a 142mm through axle, is correctly installed on your Kickr Core. Now, let's install the cassette. Carefully slide your bike's cassette onto the freehub body of the Kickr Core. It's important to align the splines of the cassette perfectly with those on the freehub to ensure a secure fit. Once aligned, place the lock ring over the cassette and tighten it firmly using your cassette wrench. This step is vital for preventing any movement during your ride. Double-check that the cassette's speed, like an 11-speed or 12-speed, matches your bike's drivetrain for smooth shifting. With the cassette in place, it's time to mount your bike. Carefully lift your bike and align its rear dropouts with the Kickr Core axle. As you lower the bike, guide the chain onto the smallest cog of the newly installed cassette. This helps with initial alignment. Next, insert your quick release skewer or through axle through the dropouts and the Kickr Core. Securely tighten it according to your bike's specifications, ensuring the bike is firmly attached and stable for your training session. Before you start riding, let's do some final checks. First, give your bike a gentle shake to confirm it's stable and securely fastened to the Kickr Core. Ensure there's no excessive play. Next, check your chain alignment and shift through a few gears to confirm smooth operation. Then, connect your Kickr Core to the Wahoo Fitness app on your smartphone or tablet using Bluetooth. Finally, perform a spin-down calibration within the app. This ensures the most accurate power readings for your training.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.